Hello guys, welcome back to the family. In case you're new here, my name is Lea Wamboi, and in case the first time you're seeing this natural saddy face. So guys, on our today's video, I'm house hunting. Natafuta nyumba. I know, right? It has been too late. Like, it is too late for me to be looking for a house, but hata mkiangalia macho ndio nimeamka, macho yangu imefura. By the way, it's early in the morning. I'm going to look for a house because whatever happened. One day I will tell that story. I'm just documenting all this. I'll tell that story, what really happened, and I have to move out of that place. But the only thing I can tell you guys, it's all about disrespect, and that is the worst thing that you can ever do to someone just because you're proud, just because you're rich. But anyway, whatever, man. So we are house hunting. I'm with my cousin. Na already tumechoka kutafuta nyumba. So far we have gotten like one house, na hiyo di 1 bedroom. It's expensive. It's out of my range of whatever I'm looking for, because if it's for 1 bedroom, I'm just looking for yenye itafika around 7,000. If it goes that much, 7,000. The other one, there are 2, but ziko juu kidogo, so I'm still looking for a house. I need to move out ASAP. Naambianga as soon as possible. Yeah. Msijali, kazi yangu atakangi kuonekana kwa kamera. Sitaki kumuonyesha. So, yes guys. Stay tuned, watch this video till the end as we look for a house. I hope we get one soon. Yeah. Hello guys, this is the 2 of me house hunting, and now I'm house hunting with someone. Sikuonyeshi. I'm house hunting with my good friend mwenye napenda sana. Yesterday I was with my cousin. So yeah, this is the 2 na bado sijapata nyumba and I need to move out. Niko a little bit stressed, but anyway, all is gonna be okay. Even ndivyo naambiwa. So yes guys, just stay tuned. Make sure you watch this video till the end. But then I'll attach some videos of the houses that I saw and their prices and everything, just in case you're interested. You're around Egerton and you're interested, so that you can get sabu. Okay, I'm taking the ones that I feel like they are nice or something. So yeah, let's go. I'm still house hunting. 2 bedroom for 15k. So guys, I already got a house and now I'm packing because I really want to move out of this place, honestly. Just packing so that I can move. So I've already put the clothes that I'm going to wear tomorrow. Yeah, there. Yep. Hello guys. So I already moved out, and guys, you can guess down below on the comment section, or rather in the comment section, and tell me which house you think I moved to. Yeah, and now I'm in a good space. I'm in a very, very nice space. I love it. I like it. There's a lot of peace. I'm just happy with where I am right now. And yes guys, in case you're living around Ichero University and maybe you're looking for a house to move out, maybe a 1 bedroom, a 2 bedroom too, if you can, by the way, with that 2 bedroom, you guys can stay like 4 of you, or yeah, whatever, however you want to arrange yourselves in a 2 bedroom. You guys can live however you want to live. It's not like it's big deal. There are other places that have so many rules. You guys cannot live more than 1. You guys cannot live like 2 friends, or just name it. So yeah, and the houses are so beautiful. Wow. Though it was so tiresome, I had to house hunt for like 2 days. Yes, as you saw, there was day 1 and day 2. I didn't manage to take videos of all the houses that I went through. I know I kind of look tired, like I've been exhausted. Imagine looking for a house. I looked for a house within 2 days, then moved out the second day after. No, was it the second day? The second day I found a house, and I said how it will be made for me to move in, like the repairs, painting and all that. Then the following day I moved out, arranged everything. Oh my goodness, I've been so tired. I'm so exhausted. So if you see me and think maybe I'm bored, I'm not bored, I'm just tired. I just need to rest, and then everything is gonna be okay. The videos that I've posted are for the houses that I found that they were nice, they were beautiful, and yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for liking this video. Kindly share, comment down below, and that's all for today. Always remember to be kind and good to people. Till next time, bye. I love you so much. Mwah. Mwah. I'm wearing Kenyan flag, Cameroonian flag. So if at all you have not checked out my previous video on reuniting with my Cameroonian boyfriend, kindly go back, watch that video, then you'll enjoy it. By the way, it's a nice video. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Please go back and watch it. And yeah, thanks. Ciao.